Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to disable XML-RPC in WordPress using .htaccess file, and we are going to increase WordPress security and prevent certain type of attacks. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in file manager and this is our .htaccess file. So we are going to add code, right click on it and then click on edit. So our .htaccess file is open and now we are going to disable XML-RPC. So XML-RPC is a protocol that enables remote application to communicate by encoding data in XML and sending it over HTTP. So we are going to add custom code. Now paste, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see files, xmlrpc.php, order, deny, allow, deny from all, and then you see angle bracket, file close, and then click on save changes. Now you see saving .htaccess file and then you see success message. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.